Hey there, so today's tech tip is OneTab for my Chrome users. And if you're anything like me, this is just a small thing. I usually have probably 20 tabs open. And so OneTab, if you use that, you can have all of your tabs in one place and a little bit more organized, which is amazing. So how would you do that? You can just type in OneTab and it'll come up to the chrome.google.com, add it. Add this plugin to it. You just click here. I already have it, so right here it would say add to Chrome. Right here I have my OneTab. I can click that, and if you see, all of the tabs that I have open right now are just right here. And what makes it, if you notice up here at the top, gone. This also makes your computer run much faster. And so if you're like me, I get impatient when things are going slow. And so this is a game changer. I've been transitioning from my other browser that I use to Chrome. I'm a late adopter to Chrome. But with OneTab, I can click and open all the tabs right there. See, everything is back open again. So there it is, all again, and amazing. I can go to OneTab and it's there, but if I go here, go over to my Chrome extension, I need to clean up my mess. I hit OneTab and voila, it is all cleaned up. So if you don't know who this is, this little voice is, I am Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie, with Gabbie and Company Business Growth Society, and I love helping entrepreneurs with the overwhelm of the tech. So I hope this helped y'all. OneTab, it's amazing. Look at that. We're looking at all the things, and then we got to clean up our mess. Here we go. And OneTab. There we go. So hope it was helpful. Have an amazing day, and stay MIA, mindful, intentional, and authentic.